How to buy BONK token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on the right channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, don't forget to go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 554 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 hours ago and increased by 41,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending #1 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click it to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, you can now log into your wallet first. And as you can see, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and this token on this in the search bar. As you can see, this our token. Now click on it. And now you can type here how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect it to your Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy BONK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.